So this is your weatherman reporting. The current temperature is minus 38 degrees Celsius. That's what it feels like. Right now, you see how the sun is so bright, but I'm telling you, even hot water will freeze. Look at it out there. It's crazy. People still going about their business. Very cool. Trying to get some sunlight for my plants, my little garden. But I made a mistake and left this in the car overnight, and look, still not melting. So much ice in there. I want to tell you, say, as I look out my window and look at the snow and the sunshine, you know, I have to give thanks now. What may I tell you? Not even deep freeze or cold, so right now looks so beautiful. So you see what deception is? I tell you, man, because I tell you right now, no. If you're out there, so I see a lady run past the front of my yard, and I wonder if the devil possess her or something. Because I'm minus 30, you know. Well, I tell you, say, man, I must run a day maths class. And they're on the number line at negative 30. Way below zero, gone way down there, so. Like you owe somebody $30. Yeah, man, negative 30. As I tell you, say, if you not plug in the car, you're not going to start. I tell you. Right, not boat now still, man. So I'm going easy back in here, so I'm gonna go out the clean a good thing. I'm gonna work my weekend. You know, see, but I'll may say now, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it coming out to all people, them. Drop a end of the year video. For now you see it, cause in everything I have to give thanks now, cause some people have it worse. You know, see it. And every day above ground is better. And they, you know, so enough people I go through it same way I have to give thanks, you see me? But all I may say is it's cold, man. COLD, all capital uppercase letter. You see me? Cold.
Next time, some structural issues like inspection, but the crew is really putting it back in the competition. Yeah, for sure.
Ordered some South Asian food. When I hear the price, it caught me off guard, but when I opened it, it was way more than I could handle. I mean, it's definitely worth it. It was $64 for this before tip. 3 spring roll, pineapple, fried rice. Then you got some sweet and sour chicken, and then you got mixed veg right there. You got cashew, shrimp, all that kind of stuff in there. Some pineapple. No, it's very delicious. Terrible weather condition. Terrible. And make it more terrible, the train comes stop us on like a stuck. And so I'm try the way. This is the main is too. Well, patient man or a donkey. So